Going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm in Surprise right now at the stadium. Got to do a small couple things on the container bar, but it is up and going. Finished painting it, got everything going. I got a couple small things I got to do to it, but it's done. So it turned out well. The people, they are very pleased with the product, so that was a plus. So I know this was a door that's going to open up a few more doors, so I'm happy and excited about it. And I'm knowing that the sky is not the limit, because we have already been to the moon. Hold on.